everybody, Kelley Richardson here, and I am really excited. I am about to unbox my brand new BabyLock Solaris 2, and I thought you might like to do it with me. I have spent the last 2 days cleaning out my sewing room, and I have to admit I'm a little wee bit of a hoarder, so that was a bit of a task. But I've spent 2 days cleaning out my sewing room, and I now am ready to take this baby out of the box and put it up so I can start playing with it. So here she is here. It's a pretty big box, so I had a little bit of help getting it down here. And I am just about ready to crack open the top. All right, let's cut that tape. So I have a old nasty pair of scissors here with me. Ooh, so exciting. Oh, need more. Okay, so here we go. This is the first box we'll take open. Oh, and we have the scanning screen. The snowman, we'll show you all how that works. I have the power cord. Very important, you gotta have the power cord. A pretty substantial knee lift. This is what that's what I'm going for. Look at this. Okay. So this is the box that all the feet come in. And it's a really nice matte finish, so I'm not as liable to scratch it as I might do on a shiny surface. Oh, it's got all kinds of really cool feet. It's got a stylus and of course bobbins, because you can't have too many bobbins. A single hole stitch plate. It's got a whole bunch of goodies in here, spool caps, and it's got extra feet in here and some cover, the bobbin cover, so I can explore those a little bit later. It's got a big buttonhole foot. So I will explore those in depth in just a little while. Put this back in. And that's a great box to store the feet in. Okay, what else have I got here? A yarn couching set. And this is the storage box that goes on when I don't have the embroidery arm on. And it's got, again, lots more storage. There's a spool of embroidery bobbin thread. Lots of storage in there for when I don't have the embroidery arm on. Oh, this is really a nice feature of the Solaris. This is the cone holding. It sits on the top of the Solaris, and it will allow me to use cones of thread as opposed to just regular spools. Oh, the digital dual feed foot. Of course, the presser foot, or the pedal, always very, very helpful. What's this? Oh, some more spool caps and things. More bobbins. And I think that's it for that part. This is really well boxed up. Very safe, just very safely stored. Let's take that one out. And then we have, okay, this is the embroidery arm. Oh, and my hoops. Sometimes hooping or unboxing is a two-person job. There we go. Okay. So, this is the embroidery arm, and I have the hoop. Look at the size of this hoop. This is a 10 5/8 by 16-inch hoop. And it actually is printed right on the hoop, the size, in both millimeters and inches, for those of us who don't transfer back and forth. And I have a 10 5/8 by 10 5/8 square, or 272 and 272 millimeters. This one is a 5 by 7. And we also have a nice little 4-inch hoop. Ooh, that's pretty exciting. Let me put those off to the side for just a second. And here is the embroidery arm. And I don't know if you can tell that, but it's a beautiful matte finish. So way less likely to ever show any scrapes or you know, after a while when your embroidery arm's been running up against it, it'll look like it has some scratches. It's really not going to show that like a super shiny one would. And I get a starter pack of stabilizer, a spool of thread for the bobbin. Oh, so exciting. So now, of course, the only box that's left to open is the really exciting one that has the machine in it. So let me pack this one up, and then we can open up the main box. Okay, here she is. Okay, so we get started with, of course, the manual. Okay, so we've got a little bit of guides with it. We have a list of all the included accessories, your product safety guide, which is very important, the quick reference guide, which gives you like a little quickie tutorial on threading and winding a bobbin. We have the positioning stickers and the end positioning stickers, and we will have some fun with those. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's lift up the styrofoam. And there she is in all her beauty. Oh, she's gorgeous. Ooh. See her? All right, I have to move just a little bit so that I can pick her up and put her on the table, and I have to reposition the camera, so bear with me. Oh, here she is. Let's turn her on. Oh, what beautiful lighting. And the colors on that touchscreen are just amazing. There we go. She is ready. Okay, and the spool stand that comes with it, you just open the lid and it just sits right there like that. Now in the background behind that you see the Dream Big panel I was working on. I'm going to finish that up with the Solaris. And I just can't wait to get started. Thank you so much for joining me while I took my new BabyLock Solaris 2 out of its box. I can't wait to actually get started playing on it, and I will have so much to show you as we start working through some projects. The Solaris 2 can do so many things. I will have so much to show you in future videos. But until then, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos. Bye for now. Happy sewing!